guys, how are you doing? How are you doing, my kitty popping queen? Yes, you. How are you doing? I hope you're popping. I know you're popping because you're my kitty popping queen. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. I love you guys, my popping queens. I'm always excited when I come here because what is about to be popping. New wig makes a girl feel so happy. You know, when you have this new fresh wig, you're so excited because you know you're gonna be popping. In today's video, I'll be using wig from Celie hair. Any review or any wig I show you on this channel, the link is always gonna be in the description box. So open the description box to buy your own Celie hair, okay? Ta-da! Let's bring it out, people. This wig, I'm going to show you guys how this wig came before your girl style it like so and tongue it, okay? Let me show you guys the unboxing of this beautiful wig from Celie hair. So guys, this beautiful wig from Celie hair came like so. I have to prep it, of course. Yes, why not? You have to prep your hair before you wear your hair, okay? Some people even wash their hair, okay, before they even put it on. But in this case, I didn't wash it. All I did was to pluck the knots, you know, put an elastic band, you know, so you can wear it as a glueless wig, you know, and I do my parting. And now I'm going to install my wig because my wig is popping. Ooh, look at this beauty. Let me put it on. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god, this wig is popping. Wow, you guys, I am popping. Yes, oh, nicely done, Chichi. Look at that. Popping. I am slaying. So we're gonna cut the lace. We are gonna cut the lace. We are gonna cut the lace. Guys, you can slay your wig without gluing. A lot of people are scared of gluing their wig. They're like, I don't want to glue my wig. Do I really have to glue my frontal? No, you don't really. Okay? You don't really. Even if you want to do baby hair, you can still do minimal, like small. I'm popping, I'm slaying, I'm popping with Celie hair. I'm popping, I'm slaying, I'm popping with Celie hair. I'm looking cute. Ooh, oh yes, I'm looking cute. Oh yes. I'm popping, I'm slaying, I'm looking kind of cute. I'm looking cute. I'm looking all shades of cute. Cute. Usually, I'll tongue my hair on the mannequin. Like, nobody got time for this. Tongue it on the mannequin and put it on. But because of this video, your girl is tonguing this hair on camera. Usually I tongue it on the mannequin. You see? Yep. So guys, that's it for this my beautiful chocolate wig from Celie hair. Okay, I'm gonna put a link to Celie hair in the description box. Ooh, I am popping. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys a full length now so you guys can see the hair in its glory. Okay, yeah, so you can see the hair looking cute and all that. Wow. So guys, link to Celie hair is in the description box. I am popping, I am slaying. You guys, please comment down below. Let me know if you love this hair. Also, let me know if you glue your hair or you wear your hair glueless. Like, which one is easier for you? Let me know if you prefer hair wig with baby hair or if you prefer this type. I want to know in the comment section. Guys, you guys already know. I don't need to tell you again. I love you guys. I love you guys. Also, you guys help me to do what? To patronize Celie hair. The link is down below. Okay, and also comment down below and tell me I am popping. I love you guys. Yay! Bye guys. Mwah.